Good afternoon, 5th and 6th grade. We're going to have a lesson today. In 6th grade, we went over this lesson last time. It's going to be a review. We're going to do some things are going to be the same and some things are going to be a little different. 5th grade, this is totally new stuff for you. We're talking about the US dollar. In Taiwan, you use the NT dollar. And so we're talking about the US dollar. So 5th grade, this is a new lesson for you. In 6th grade, it's a review lesson and also some new stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to go over the US dollar, the money right now. First one is the change. And first, the lowest amount is a penny. Remember, 6th grade, so a penny equals 1 cent. The next one is a nickel. A nickel equals 5 cents. And next one, and we have a dime. Dime equals 10 cents. Next one is a quarter. A quarter equals 25 cents. And I showed this is a lot of the money in America has changed. Even the dollar bills, some of them, they've changed the design of the person's face or head. And so this is the old quarter design. This is the newer one. They have the 50 states from America on each back of the quarter. Okay, the next one is, now we're starting with the dollar bills. This is the $1 bill. Next one, it's $5. And then we have, next one, $10. And the next one, $20, and $50, and the next one is $100. And so these are the main dollar bills and that we use in the U.S. currency, U.S. money. So now we're going to go over a video. Real quick. When you're writing the money, so writing like when you're writing just with the change, you can write 25 cents like this. $, 0.25 is 25 cents. Then when you have over 100 cents, you can write it, it's $1. So $1, 25 cents. So you can write it just like this here. So now we're going to go over some money. I'm going to show you some pictures of some money, and I want you to go over this. You can write this down on your piece of paper, how much you think it is. So if you look at this, remember we talked about the pennies, 1 cent, there's 10 cents, 5 cents, and a quarter, 25 cents. And you have 5, 1, 2 $1 bills. So can you figure out how much money that would be? Let's go over this together real quick. So we have, first you have a $5, so there's 5. And here's another 5, so that would be 10. $1 would be 11. Plus another one, you have 12. And then the change, the coins, you have 1 quarter, so it's 25. You can do the dimes next. So that's 10 plus 35. 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, and then here's 5, so it'll be 90, 95. Now that's going to be $1 plus 1. So it would be $1.01. So plus 12, you should have $13.01. 1 cent. So that's the amount here. If you look at count the dollar bills and the coins, you should have $13.01. Okay, let's do one more. Okay. Okay. So now we have a 20 and a 5 and a $1 bill. So let's do that first. So you have 20. And then, so it'd be plus 5, 25. 1 is 26. And now your coins, you have 2 quarters, and you got your dime, your nickel, and your penny. So that's 25 cents, 50 cents. Let's go over the dime. So then it's 60, 70, 80, 90, and now that makes $1. Then you have 5, so it's 1.05, $1.10. So that's all the nickels. So now all we have left are the pennies. So it's 1.11, 1.12, 1.13, and the last one, $1.14. You have here is $26, so your total should be $27.14. So this is the total of the money you have here. With the dollars, bills, and the coins, you should have $27.14. Now we're going to go to a worksheet. Okay, so now we're going to come to the worksheet, and you're going to do this worksheet later. So we're going to go over the coins. This is some of the things we just went over, but let's read them over again. So we have 1 cent, penny equals 1 cent. A nickel equals 5 cents. A dime equals 10 cents. A quarter equals 25 cents. And these 2 coins, these are new. We did not go over these before. It's actually a $50. It's 50 cents. It's a 50-cent coin. And this one is a silver dollar. It's a $1 coin. They do not make these anymore, and you can still get them. You can actually spend them if you do have them. But you will not see these very often at all. Not many people have these. So, but it's a $50, 50 cents, and one is a silver dollar. It's a $1 coin. Now the dollar bills, up here we have, again, $1 bill, we have $5, $10, $20, $50, and $100. Now this part here, you're going to just look at the amount right here, and you need to draw a line to the right one over here. So you have here, I'll do the first one for you. It has 25 cents. So at 25 cents, you need to see which one of these matches with 25 cents. And that would be right here. You could draw a line to a quarter. Remember, 25 cents is a quarter. So you have these other ones, you need to look at the amount, the number amount, and match it to the right one over here. And the last part down at the bottom, you're going to have, again, it talks about the same thing. Oh, here it is. So this one you need to write in the amount. So they have $1 equals how many dimes. So you have to go back at the top of the worksheet and see how much is a dime. And see how many dimes would make $1. So that would be, remember, 10 dimes, because 1 dime is 10 cents. So 10 dimes would make $1. And so you have the other ones here that you need to fill in. So $1 equals how many quarters? 55 cents equals how many dimes and how many nickels? 15 cents equals how many nickels? And $1, 3 cents equals how many quarters and pennies? So you can find this worksheet if you go down, look at the link down below in the description box, and you can complete the worksheet. And after you complete the worksheet, you press the finish button. After you press the finish button, this will show up. And you need to press email my answers to my teacher. And then after you, so after you email the answers here, you enter your full name. So put your name and write your name here. Group level, so you can either put grade 5 or grade 6. So either write grade 5, grade 6. School subject, you can put money. And then here is my email address, teachermatt@gmail.com. So put my email address right here, press the send button, and it will send me your results of the worksheet. So that is also, I'll look forward to seeing your worksheet. You can fill out the worksheet. Again, remember the answers, you can find your answers on the worksheet. They have how much each coin is worth, a dollar bill. So look at the pictures and fill in the worksheet. And I will look forward to getting your answers. Okay? Have a good day. Goodbye.